DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. This week, Shaakira Miss is going to take a thematic teleclass lesson for you all. How are you, my dear students? Hope you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing well. So students, before going to start today's teleclass lesson, let's recite dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Welcome back, students. Today you are going to help me to name the missing letters on the given slide. Yes, it is connected to today's teleclass lesson. As you can see from the slide, there is a cat which is related to today's topic, as well as you can see some of the letters on the slide and some of the letters are hidden. So, from the cat and from the given letters on the slide, you are going to help me to find the missing letters. So, shall we begin, class? Yes. So, which letter do you think will be first? Just think. Yes, it is correct. The first letter is letter N. And now we can say A-N-I. After I, which letter do you think will it be? You are right. It is letter M. Now we have A-N-I-M-A. Which letter is missing from the row? Correct. It's letter L. So now we can name this word as animal. So now you got information or idea about today's topic is related to animals, right? But there are few letters which are missing. Now guess and tell me which letter will be next? Yes, it is letter H. Correct. H-A and then, yes, you are very smart. It's letter B. And after B, there is I. And in between I and A, there is a missing letter. So, what do you think that letter will be? Yes, it's letter T. So now we can say HABITA-S. So what is the last missing letter from the slide? Correct. It's letter T again. So the word is animal habitats. So today Shaakira Miss is going to take you a lesson of animal habitats. Now I am going to share you today's learning intention. So today you are going to learn about animal habitats. Yes, you all will be learning about animal habitats. And here is the success criteria. You will be success in today's lesson if you can identify different animal habitats, and also if you make a poster on animal habitats. And here is the key competency for today's TeleClass lesson, which is practicing slang. And the code is PIKS 2.12, which is about respecting and caring for other living things. Class, can you tell me what is an animal habitat? Or do you know the meaning of animal habitat? Yes. An animal habitat is a place that an animal lives, right? A place where an animal lives or stays is known as, yes, animal habitats. It provides the animal with food, water, and as well as shelter. That means a habitat of an animal provides the animal food with water and shelter. There are many different sorts of habitats around the world. Do you know that, students? There are certain habitats that different animals live. From the given slide, you can see some of the habitats which some animals live. From forests to grasslands and from mountain slopes to deserts where animals live. So you can see from the slide a picture of a desert and a picture of a grassland, even a picture of a mountain slopes. So these are also some of the habitats where some animals live. Class, do you know that different habitats are home to different animals? Yes, not all the animals live in the same habitat. So you can see from the given slide itself there are different habitats, right? From each of the given habitats there will be some certain animals that lives there, such as, yes, a camel lives in a desert. However, a lion lives in a forest. A penguin lives in a polar region, but a duck lives in a wetland. A deer is living in a mountain slope, and the last one is octopus. Students, do you know where the octopus lives? Yes, it's the ocean. Like this, there are some other animals that lives in different habitats. All the animals live together because they all do things to help keep the whole habitat healthy and in balance. Class, do you know where do animals live? Yes, they are grassland, yes, jungle, Arctic, which is polar region, as well as some animals live in desert while other animals live in the ocean. And most of the animals live on, yes, forest. Okay, class, do you know the name of this habitat? Yes, you all are very familiar to this habitat. This habitat is known as, yes, it is called as desert. As we all know that a desert is a sandy place which does not receive very much rainfall. Yes, a desert is a very hot sandy place and there will be very less rain that happens in this habitat. Animals that live in this habitat includes lizards, snakes and camels. So these are some of the common animals that lives in a desert. Can you name them again? Yes, they are lizards, yes, snakes and camels. Class, can you see a picture on the slide? Yes, you can see a picture on the slide where you can see many trees with a waterfall, right? This is also a habitat for some animals and the place is known as, yes, rainforest. A rainforest are damp and usually warm. A damp means usually this place is slightly wet and it is warm. And here is some animals that live on rainforest, such as frog, yes, monkey and toucan. These are some of the animals which live on the ground of the rainforest. And the next one is, yes, you have guessed it correct. It is ocean. So the ocean has different zones depending on how much sunlight it receives. Class, what can you see from the slide? Yes, you can see a dolphin with a very colorful fishes, right? Fish, dolphins and sea whales. But in the deep ocean, where it is cold and dark, where lives giant squid and giant eels. Class, do you know the name of this place? Yes, this one is known as polar region, or we can say it as Iceland. Polar regions are the coldest places on earth. It covers the top and bottom of planet Earth at the north and south poles. The North Pole is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean and the South Pole is located on Antarctica. In the Arctic, many animals live on the land. However, in the Antarctic, the animals live almost entirely where the ice meets the ocean. So, now you are going to see some of the animals that live in polar region, or we can say in Iceland. And they are, yes, you can see a penguin as well as a polar bear with a seal and with the humpback whales. So these are some of the common things or common animals which lives in polar region. Now this one is known as a jungle, or we can say a forest. So over half of the world's plant and even animals live in some type of jungle environment. Yes, you all know that most of the animals live on the jungle. Jungles are similar to rainforest, but it have less trees and more sunlight. The differences between a rainforest and a jungle is the jungle has less trees and more sunlight. Even jungles are in warm places with lots of rainfall. Here is the sum of the animals that lives in jungle. And all of the animals on the slide are very familiar to you all, right? They are lion, yes, gorilla and elephant. You all know that lion is the king of the jungle, right? So class, are you ready for the quiz? Yes, let's go. The first question. A dash is a place where living things live. So the options are A. Habitat, B. Food. So from the given A and B, which one do you think is the correct answer? Yes, it's A. Correct. So a habitat is a place where living things live. That includes animals and yes, humans. Question. Do different animals live on different habitats? Your options are A, yes, B, no. And the correct answer is yes, it is A. Different animals live in or live on different habitats. Good. And here's your third question, which is from the given below, which animal is from polar region? Here's two options, A, seal and B, monkey. So, from these two animals, which one do you think lives in polar region? Yes, you all are correct. It's letter A, C. One is a hot dash is a sandy place which does not receive very much rainfall. So, the options are A, ocean, B, desert. From the given two options, which one do you think is the correct one? Which one is a sandy place and which does not receive very much rain? Yes, it's letter B. Correct. Last question, which is question number 5. Question is, from the given below, where does a fish live? So now you all are going to tell me where or what will be the habitat of a fish. And the options are A, forest, B, ocean. I know this one is the most easiest one. Yes, it is correct. We all know that a fish lives in the ocean. Correct. Class, now I'm going to summarize today's lesson. So, what we have discussed in today's lesson? Yes, we have discussed about the definition of animal habitat and also has identified different animal habitats. Class, now it's your task time. Hope you all are ready for it. So, here is your task of the day. Class, your task is you are going to make a poster on animal habitats in your thematic notebook. Yes, you will be making a poster on animal habitats. In the poster, you are going to include the following points. The first one is you are going to write the meaning of animal habitat. Yes, you need to write the definition of habitat of animals. The second one is you need to write or mention any 5 animal habitats that you learned from today's teleclass lesson. Yes, you are going to mention any 5 animal habitats with drawing and writing the names of any 2 animals from each habitat. Yes, you have to draw and write 2 animals from each habitat. I hope you all will do this work neat and clean. Once you finish this work, you are going to take a photo of it and send it to me through Viber.
So that's all for today's teleclass lesson. Hope you all got some information from today's teleclass lesson. Inshallah, I will see you soon. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to wash your hands. Have a great day. Wassalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass